Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You stop using the phone now to prevent new data from overwriting the pictures. That's the single most important action. Connect the device to a computer or remove the storage card for direct recovery and make sure airplane mode is on. Once done, install a trusted recovery program for your platform and prepare the destination drive. Do not save recovered files back to the phone. I'll show why each step protects file fragments and speeds scanning. Launch a deep sector scan and select image file types such as JPG, PNG, hike to narrow results. That reduces noise and focuses the tool. Review previews to identify intact photos and mark the best ones for recovery. Recover to an external drive or computer folder, never back to the device that lost data, because writing can overwrite remaining fragments. If scanning runs long, pause between passes and compare results to avoid duplicate restores and wasted storage. Once files are recovered, open several images to confirm integrity, then organize and back them up in at least 2 locations like cloud plus external drive. If some pictures are corrupted, run automated repair tools or rescan with different software settings because different algorithms recover different fragments. If you still see nothing, stop using the device and consult a professional data recovery service. Further writes lower chances of success. One key tip: avoid factory resets or OS updates until recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.